Thinking about a Hyper9 for your EV conversion? It's a popular choice, but is it ready for the real world? The Hyper9 is essentially an open drip-proof motor, those cooling vents. They're an open invitation for road salt, dust, and moisture to destroy your investment from the inside out. And then there's the interference. With exposed terminals and no integrated shielding, the Hyper9 is an EMC nightmare. It's a struggle for certification and a magnet for electrical noise that kills your radio and messes with your sensors. Meet the EV evolution. While others rely on outdated forklift technology, we've built the future. Our motors are fully enclosed and IP rated. No vents, no sal, no chromises. Whether it's heavy rain or winter slush, your powertrain remains untouched. Let's talk numbers. At just 42 kilograms, we are nearly 25% lighter than the competition. Yet we deliver a massive 252 Newton-meters of torque. That's more punch in a package that preserves your car's handling and balance. Air cooling has its limits. On a long climb or a hot summer day, air-cooled motors throttle their power to survive. EV Evolution features a standard liquid-cooled system, delivering 40 kilowatts of continuous power and 65 kilowatts. Peaks without breaking a sweat. We designed this for the enthusiast. Our low voltage, 96 volts and 144 volt systems offer safer handling for DIY builders, while our universal couplers make mating to your original gearbox a breeze. Plus, with integrated regenerative braking and a refined throttle map, the drive is as smooth as it is powerful. Don't just convert your car, evolve it. Protected, powerful, and professional. EV Evolution Motors. The new standard for electric classics.